When it comes to Christmas decorating, we often think about the living room, the mantle, or even the front door. But have you ever considered bringing that festive cheer into your bedroom? Decorating your bedroom for Christmas can transform it into a cozy, magical retreat that captures the holiday spirit in a truly personal way. Imagine waking up to twinkling lights and festive decor, where every corner of your space whispers Christmas. It's a wonderful way to immerse yourself fully in the season, creating an ambience that brings joy not just in common spaces, but also in the most intimate part of your home. Let's start with the bed, the focal point of any bedroom. It's where you can have the most fun with your Christmas decor. Think about layering your bed with festive bedding. Plaid or Nordic-inspired sheets can immediately bring a cozy winter vibe. Adding a chunky knit blanket or a faux fur throw not only makes your bed inviting, but also adds a touch of luxury. Pillows are another easy way to make your bed feel festive. You can mix and match different textures and patterns, like velvet, metallics, or pillows with Christmas-themed prints. A few well-placed pillows can completely change the look of your bed and make it feel like a Christmas wonderland. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating that magical Christmas atmosphere, and there's nothing quite like the soft, warm glow of fairy lights to make your bedroom feel like a cozy sanctuary. String lights along your headboard, around a window, or even drape them over a mirror. If you want to go a bit more dramatic, you could create a canopy of lights above your bed, making it feel like you're sleeping under a starlit sky. Candles are another way to introduce that warm, inviting glow. Opt for candles with festive scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla, which will not only light up your room but also fill it with the delightful smells of Christmas. Another idea is to bring a Christmas tree into your bedroom. It doesn't have to be a full-size tree. A small tabletop tree can be just as effective in bringing that festive touch. Decorate it with ornaments that match the color scheme of your room, or go for something more whimsical, like miniatures or personalized ornaments that have special meaning to you. A tree in the bedroom is a perfect way to keep the holiday spirit alive as you wind down for the night or wake up in the morning. And if you're really short on space, you can always opt for a wall-mounted tree, or even a few simple branches in a vase decorated with baubles and fairy lights. Let's not forget about the windows. Draping garlands or wreaths over your windows can create a beautiful frame that showcases the winter scene outside. You could also hang ornaments from the window latch, or use window stickers to create a festive scene. Curtains are another element that can be swapped out to reflect the season. Think about heavier drapes in rich colors like deep reds, greens, or golds that not only keep the warmth in but also add to the Christmas feel. If you have a windowsill, use it as a display area for festive items like lanterns, candles, or small figurines. Adding a few decorative touches to your bedside tables can also make a big difference. A small bowl filled with pine cones, a stack of holiday-themed books, or a festive lampshade can make your bedroom feel special. You could even hang a wreath or garland above your bed for that extra festive flair. And don't overlook the opportunity to swap out regular picture frames with ones that have a Christmas theme or include photos from past Christmases. This adds a personal touch and brings fond memories into your everyday space. When decorating your bedroom for Christmas, consider the scent as an essential part of creating the ambience. A diffuser with essential oils like pine, cinnamon, or orange can fill your room with a festive aroma. You can also go for potpourri in a decorative bowl or simmer a small pot of water with cinnamon sticks and cloves on the stove, and then bring it into your room. The sense of smell is powerful and can instantly make your space feel more Christmassy. Decorating your bedroom for Christmas isn't just about the visual appeal. It's about creating a space that feels comforting and joyful. It can make your room feel like a retreat from the hustle and bustle of the holiday season, where you can unwind and soak in the festive spirit. There's something special about ending your day in a room that feels as though it's part of the Christmas magic. It adds an extra layer of excitement and happiness, making the whole season feel even more special. One of the benefits of decorating your bedroom for Christmas is that it can lift your spirits the moment you wake up. Imagine the joy of waking up to a space filled with the warmth and cheer of Christmas. Twinkling lights, festive colors, and cozy textures that make you feel wrapped in the holiday spirit from the moment you open your eyes. It can set a positive tone for your day, making everything feel a bit more magical. Another advantage is that it allows you to enjoy the Christmas decorations even more. While the living room or kitchen might be the main areas for entertaining and hosting, Your bedroom is a personal space where you can fully immerse yourself in the holiday spirit. It's your own little slice of Christmas, a place where you can enjoy the decorations without any distractions or interruptions. This can be particularly comforting during busy holiday times, offering a peaceful retreat where you can relax and recharge. Adding a few personal touches to your Christmas bedroom decor can also make it feel even more special. Consider incorporating elements that are meaningful to you, such as handmade ornaments, a favorite holiday-themed book on your nightstand, or a cozy throw blanket that's been in your family for years. These small personal touches can evoke cherished memories and make your bedroom feel even more like a sanctuary during the busy holiday season. Another idea is to involve your loved ones in the decorating process. Whether it's a family tradition to decorate the tree together or a special moment spent arranging the fairy lights, involving others can make the experience more enjoyable and meaningful. It's a wonderful way to bond and create lasting memories that go beyond just the visual aspect of decorating. If you're someone who enjoys a bit of DIY, there are plenty of opportunities to get creative with your Christmas bedroom decor. You could make your own garlands or wreaths using natural elements like pine branches, berries, and eucalyptus. Not only do these add a beautiful, natural touch to your space, but they also bring in the fresh scent of the outdoors, further enhancing the cozy, festive atmosphere. Another DIY idea is to create your own ornaments or decorations that reflect your personal style or the theme you've chosen for your bedroom. This could be as simple as painting wooden ornaments, creating a Christmas banner, or making paper snowflakes to hang in your windows. One thing to keep in mind while decorating your bedroom for Christmas is to ensure that it remains a restful and relaxing space. While it's tempting to go all out with the decorations, it's important to strike a balance so that your bedroom doesn't feel cluttered or overwhelming. The goal is to create a cozy, inviting environment that enhances your sense of calm and comfort. Consider choosing a color palette that complements your existing decor, so the Christmas elements blend seamlessly with the rest of the room. When it comes to storage, it's a good idea to have a plan for where you'll store your Christmas decorations once the season is over. Keeping everything organized and in good condition will make it easier to redecorate next year. You might want to invest in some decorative storage boxes that match your bedroom decor, so they don't look out of place if they need to be stored in the room itself. This way, you can keep your holiday decorations easily accessible without disrupting the overall look and feel of your space. Incorporating nature into your Christmas bedroom decor can also add a soothing, organic element. Fresh greenery like pine branches or holly can be used in garlands, wreaths, or even as part of a centerpiece on your dresser. You could also add a few potted plants or succulents in festive pots, which not only bring a bit of nature indoors but also help purify the air and add a touch of life to your room. Finally, decorating your bedroom for Christmas can bring a sense of cohesion to your home's overall holiday decor. It ties the festive theme throughout the entire house, making it feel unified and complete. It also shows attention to detail, making your home feel thoughtfully and lovingly decorated for the season. So if you haven't considered decorating your bedroom for Christmas before, this year might be the perfect time to start. It doesn't have to be over the top. Even a few simple touches can make a big difference. By creating a Christmas atmosphere in your bedroom, you're ensuring that the magic of the season is with you from the moment you wake up until the moment you drift off to sleep. It's a wonderful way to make the holidays feel even more special and to bring a little extra joy into your everyday life.